Yo guys, and welcome back to another video. So today guys, we're going to be doing something different once again. So what I've got behind me here is some Vauxhall Corsa wind deflectors. Okay guys, so we've now got it out of the packaging, or nearly anyway. They put so much sellotape on this. But let's go and install this on the car. Let's not waste any more time. It's going to be sick. I can't wait. I've been waiting for these since I got the car. This was going to be my first ever modification, but I just haven't bought it. Just forgot about it, to be honest. But a lot of you guys commented down below. Make sure you guys comment down below in my videos of what you want me to unbox, and we'll make it happen. Also guys, if you want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe down below and let me know in the comment section, and we'll see what we can do and see if we can make it happen. Alright guys, so we're in the car now. It's raining and it's wet, and my car probably looks really dirty with bird poo and stuff because the weather's just been horrible and no one likes my car, so and the birds don't like my car, so let's go and get these on the car before the rain comes down way too heavy for us. So let's go. Right. Alright then guys, so we're windows down so we can actually put this in. So let's put the high-speed window deflector on the Vauxhall Corsa D 2009. Alright guys, so you just want to get the deflector, put your window down, and then just here, and then you just want to slide it in there. Just want to make sure you get the perfect angle. You don't want to rush this because you do not want it to snap. And I'm pretty sure that is it.
Steady calling my phone.
Alright. Why does it not look like anything's changed? Right, so not being funny, yeah, but this just doesn't look like it's changed whatsoever. Like, I thought this was going to bring the car out a little bit more, but I mean, it kind of does in a way. Just, I think we need to sort the back out. I think we need a spoiler there, but video for that is coming soon, so stick around, and let's go put this on the other side now. I mean, how can you mess this up? It's just basic, simple stuff. So again, in with the corner. Oh, that looks so much better. Right, so this side has just gone in so clean. This is just going so wrong. Oh, wait there. My brother's like, what are you doing, you absolute gimp? I think the tactic here, and I just learned it. Yes, I'm not a car guy, but we're trying, alright? Just chill out with the comments. The best way to do this is to go with the head first, where the logo is here. As you can see there, if you just slip this side in first, and then just work your way down, it should just pop in as easy as that. So this side, obviously, it just looks so much better. So I think we need to go fix the other side because I've messed that up. But come with me, let's go. Right, so again, now that I actually know how to do this, top in first. I'm telling you, yeah, there's something wrong with this one. Oh, there we go. It's just me being a pleb. But there we go, guys. It is finally done. As easy as that. Let's go and roll the cinematics now. What do you mean?
It's not going up.
Mirror?
Oh, this.
You mean the window? Do you know why that's not going up?
No.
Because the car's not turned on.
No.
The car isn't turned on. You're about as stupid as I am. Everyone in the comments is bullying us right now. There you go, bro.
It ain't gonna go in.
So the last bit we need to do, guys, is literally just add these little tiny clips. So to prevent this, what you can see there, it's like popping up. We need to prevent that from happening. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get these metal clips and just stick them onto every corner, and that should just prevent it from happening. So let's get the clips on. Alright then, guys, so we put the clips on and it's working so much better now, as you can see here. Let me just show you. So I'll put the window down, just bring it up, it closes nice and smoothly. So that's what we wanted the whole time. I don't know why it did that at the start. It must have been without the clips being on, but the clips are on now. It's working so much better. I hope you all enjoyed, guys. Don't forget to like and comment down below. In the next video, we've got a nice, I can't wait. It's going to be so good. We are changing the horrible red cover, but not just the cover, we are changing the whole wheel, guys. So all of this is coming off. So this will be the last video you see of this, or you see it in the next one, but we're getting rid of it. So say goodbye to the wheel. Let's go. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment down below.